Shalom friends, my name is Dongo Mungai and welcome to my channel where I often talk about religion and relationships. Today, I want us to talk about how to create peace in your marriage. How to create peace in your marriage. Are you aware? Many people do not know how to create peace in their relationships. The Bible says as much. Isaiah chapter 59 verse 8, for instance, says many people do not know the way of peace. That means they only know how to create trouble for themselves and for other people. The first thing you should do if you want to create peace in your marriage is 1. Make sure your mate is well fed and are taken good care of. People who are provided with food at the right time and in the right manner tend to be peaceful and friendly. The right manner here means service with a smile. Point number 2, learn to speak softly and in a polite way to your spouse. Nothing destroys peace, love, and unity in a relationship than disrespectful language, insults, and snide remarks. And nothing brings people together than a speech that is friendly and caring. Point number 3, hug and kiss and play with your spouse as often as possible. The power of touch is known to remove tensions and anger between partners. Couples who play with each other tend to have good relationships that help them enjoy good emotional and physical health. Number 4, shut your ears to rumors regarding your mate's behavior. Giving your ears to persons who love to tell you about your wife or husband will ruin your relationship with him or her sooner rather than later. The less you know about your spouse, the happier your relationship with him or her will be. Point number 5, close your eyes to small mistakes made by your spouse. Your spouse is not an angel, and never will he or she be. He or she will make mistakes every day and night of your life with him or her. The less you criticize your spouse's shortcomings and weaknesses, the better your relationship with him or her will be. Point number 6, study your partner's likes and dislikes, needs and wants. The best thing you can do for your relationship is to know what your husband or wife loves and hates. Never go contrary to his or her wishes and desires, and never engage in the things he or she detests or abhors. Point number 7, avoid comparing your mate with another man or a woman. Nothing is so irritating in life, marriage, and in bed than to be told another man or woman is better than you. Always try to show your partner that he or she is better than anyone else. Master these 7 techniques and you will be on your way to creating a happy and successful marriage where you will enjoy peace, love, unity, and good intimate moments with your partner. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more content like this one. Thank you and God bless you.